the button too. I hope you guys are ready. So, let's play. Alright. Oh, look. We found a decoy statue of me. Alright, what is this? Oh, we got an obby here. Hope I make it. So basically it's telling us to press the button, but the title is technically saying don't press it. So that is kind of weird. No! Why would it just disappear in 1 second? Oh, I don't want to be inside the duck. I don't play ducks for bath boys, okay? Alright, what do we got this time? We got a slide. Whoa, it's a trampoline, kinda. Or ball pit, whatever it is. Can I jump back on the slide? Oh yeah, I can. Oh, we're back, it looks like. Oh, party! Let's get some dance moves. Ah, yeah. What do we got? Okay, soccer break it looks like. No, where'd the soccer ball go? I love soccer. That's my favorite sport if you didn't know. Gotta score a point. Shoot. That's out of boundary. Looks like that's out of boundary. No, come back here. Dang it. Okay. Yo, look at this toxic man. I don't know what. Is he toxic? Let's push the button. What is coming? I guess we have to get to the top. Get to safety. Luckily, I didn't drop. Alright, it doesn't mean the waves. Comment down below if you know what it's saying. Aha, we made it. Whoa. I guess it's safe to jump down. I think it is. Ew. What are we doing? Is this farts? Yuck. Earthquake! What is going on? That's why we should not be pressing the buttons. Some punishment's gonna happen next. Earthquake, I gotta get to safety, I hope. Hey, you. I think it's him controlling the earthquake. I guess it wasn't him. What do we got here? Guess we have to climb. Hit the target. I have a better idea how to hit the target. What? It's like when we hit the target, they'll just send it back. Hoppy boots. I can even hop on this guy. Whee! You know what? I'm just gonna go up here and destroy the statue. New button. Oh, now I'm on top of my statue. What do we have to do? Look at that. I'm just gonna stay here. Yep. Hey. Oh, I see the pad. I think we have to touch it to get off. I don't know how much care if I'm stepping on that anymore. Alright, who's ready to what? Guess we have to beat this guy? Got one player left. Looks like it. Fight to death. Am I the winner? Sure looks like I'm the winner. I guess I won these coins. Where's somebody hiding? Yep, time is up almost. Yeah! I won! What's next? Oh, we got a sparkle guy. I love sparkles. We're going. Shing. Get to the other side. That's easy. Whoa! What's going on? This bridge is breaking apart. I guess it's just like an obby. That worked, at least. get to the other side, but I don't like that much getting other side to the cars. No. Hey, I'm trapped in this box. I need to get out of here. Is it just impossible? I know it's been a while. Haven't been uploading Roblox videos with my faces on. I came back. Oh no, bomb! As you notice, guys, I have these items right here, like this sidecar, side bike, Starbucks. Got a flashlight just in case it gets dark. These stuff to play with. Some drink. And another D. Alright. Yo! Looks like low gravity. What does Siri want now? Does Siri wants to interrupt my game? Lava's rising. Get to the top. Now I better get to the top. Ha! Made it. Am I the only one? I'm the only one. Looks like it. What happens if I get over there? Oh, yep. It's gonna get the lava over there. Alright. Uh-oh. Ah, I did not even die. Is this a decoy wall to try and make us die? This monster. Sorry about that, folks. Yo, it's a rainbow! Rainbows are probably fake. Like, remember say there's a treasure at the end of the rainbow? Uh-oh, what is what? Aliens! What meteor rain? Gotta get somewhere safe. I'll probably get safe if I get under this alien jet. Yeah. Why isn't the meteor attacking the alien itself? He's just standing there. I think if I stay here... Okay, that I think he'll be back next time. Well, who's gonna get us? This jail cell. I think I would have run. I'm gonna get the coins. You're never gonna get me, whoever you are. Okay. Oh, look! Abby. Oh, so we have like 1 minute to get past this obby. Or more than 1 minute. I can't count that. Super speed now. I must beat the obby. If I take my time, I should be able to make it. Yeah, I made it. Yo, this guy's got a crown. Where's my crown? Is my crown underneath here? Oh, yeah, I can see it. Underneath. I'm just gonna go backwards. No, man! Looks like I lost my crown. This is a handsome looking fella. Don't we look good? Yes, we do. Piggy! I think I got distracted. We got another muscular guy. What are we supposed to do? Admire the unicorn? How do I even get this coin? Come on! I'm just gonna get this one. Beep, beep. What's gonna happen? Hello. Alright, now I'm just gonna go on the road. I don't know, I'm just care what happens. What happens if I get to the other side? Okay, never mind. Our bridge is falling. We already did this, but fine, I'll do it again. I hope I don't fall. Ha! Did it. My coin. I'm just gonna press it. Look, a cannon. Anchors away! There goes the scallywag. Let's launch you off. Get ready to, man. The polywag, whatever that is. Again, Piggy? You're not done interrupting us? Oh no, he's after me. Phew. You guys stay next to the statue, it should be good. Okay, guess there's something else now. Low gravity, it looks like. I don't think it's low gravity. But wherever we are, it sure looks kind of cool. Just gonna keep jumping. Ah, man. Whoa! What is this? A tornado? What is this? Comment down below if you know what this is. Damn! What is that gonna do? Whoa! I'm firing the laser. The water's rising. Get to safety. Oh yeah, if you haven't, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And liking all my videos. Ha! Did it. Bruh, those guys, that guy's not even dying. He's like immune to water. Sonic blew away. Whoa. The color. Where'd it go? Where's my color gone? Uh-oh. Gotta get away from the bomb. It's dangerous. Yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. Oh. Hey, how'd it kill me? Ooh, we're jumping on trampoline now. I love going to trampoline parks. The one I go to is Sky Zone Trampoline Park NJ. Alright, it doesn't matter. Oh, again this. Tanami, what is it? What is this word? I think it means the waves. Whatever that word is, I'm just gonna get to the top. Yep, I'm gonna jump down now. Time to jump down. Whee! Earthquake! You muscle man! I think he's controlling the earthquake. Alright. I must find a place so I can get away from this earthquake. Good. That worked. Ew! Farts. What is even in here? Seriously. And this button is free time. Okay. I don't know what we have to do in this button. Okay. Ooh, soccer! I love soccer. Then I just say that. Whatever if I didn't say that. Come on, score, score! I gotta score! That soccer ball's out of control. It's gonna flip over the edge. Where'd it go? Oh, here's a new one. Okay. Score, score, score! No! Oh, yeah, we did score. Ah, man, soccer's over. Why is everybody getting so small? Ooh, coin. Why is everybody getting so small and out of control? Whoa. Okay. I'm gonna push the button, guys. Ah! Duckies! I hate ducks. Oh, I kind of like ducks. Uh-oh. Welcome to the death spinner. No, man. Let's see what will happen down there. Oh, yeah, there's 2 people left. Again, trampoline or whatever, ball pit. Whee! Whoa! No, I'm getting off the map! Oh, man. That's gone. What's next? This again. How many times are these rounds going to keep repeating? Whoa, 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 whoa! My hat! My character. Whatever it is. Maybe the middle one's more luckier? Let's see. Middle one, don't fail me down now. Whoa. Phew. Glad that's over. Whoa! I can't go back in jail. I did not even do anything wrong though. Who is this, officers? Is this officers that are doing this? You gotta break them out. But how? Like get a weapon? Ah! Dark. What is it? Blue pad? Ah, lava spinner. Phew. Nah, man. I hope that doesn't destroy it. That statue. So now, what I'm gonna do is, if you hear sound in the background, that's totally nothing. Alright, oh! I'm a giant! Giant than the statue. Huh. Now I'm even bigger. Huh. I meant to be big. And I'll always be big. Hoppy boots. I love hoppy boots. Hop, hop, high as I can. Uh-oh. Bombs. Eject. Oh, statue fall apart. Sorry, guys. Ah! The bombs are everywhere. First the big bomb in the center, now little bombs. Ooh, coins. Mine now. What's going on? TNT? First we have to deal with bombs, now TNT. Let's get that coin. Yes. Oh, tightrope. Tightrope, you better not let me down. Ha! Easy peasy. So now I'm just gonna be taking out this. Alright, we're gonna do a couple more rounds and then we're just gonna end this video up. That's good. No! My head! Should I put my head and then replace it? I can't do that. Time to race. 2, 1, go. Oh, these things will boost me up. Hey, how's he kind of fast? Huh. First place. Hey, why is everybody getting my name out of first place? I should be first place. Oh, okay. Alright, pardon. Alright, we'll just do 3 more rounds, I think. Oh, like Fortnite. This game reminds me of Fortnite. Like jumping out of an airplane. I thought we were gonna get parachutes. That coin. What's going on in this level? Is it break? Oh, pick a corner. I love this game. Ah, good. Alright, I'm just gonna go to that one because I think it's not gonna get chosen, right? Yeah, I'm lucky this round. Good. Next time I'm going to blue. Whatever corner gets out, I'm just gonna go to that corner. Oh, green got chosen. What color's next? Oh, okay. Okay, the heads got back. Oh, last time the obby disappeared. This time it better not. Ha. No! Ready to fight? I won last time and I won again. I win again. Ha. Imagine I take the sword up that box and then I just... Somebody else has a sword. Like slicing rating people. I think we'll do one more round and then we'll be done with this. Or two. One or two. We'll see. So, get to the other side of the street. This time I better not fail! You did not even touch me! Alright. Alright, I guess this is it, guys. Or, I could play for a little bit more. Alright. Guys, this is going to be my last one. This is done now, so I hope you'll like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And I'll be seeing you next time. So, enjoy. I'll see you next Saturday or tomorrow. Peace.